Hello, artists. How are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you. I gotta sneeze. Oz and I welcome you to the studio. We are very happy you're here with us today. Okay. Today we were playing with the Arteza Everblend markers. As you can see, I didn't have very much luck with it. So you're not going to see that, but I will show you how I made this. Now this is not perfect, but I will have to say I haven't really seen a pear, studied a pear for a long time. I can't eat pears for the most part, so I don't really have them around the house. And I was just kind of guessing what this would look like. I guessed on the colors. I think it's got a little bit darky, but I wanted to show you that you can blend these much better, that having the right paper makes a difference, right? Here I used watercolor paper, and as you can see, the ink sank right in. I'm not going to show you how I made this. This video is just going to get deleted. It's not completely unsuccessful though, and the thing about this is, since it's going in our background book, and we're going to be building on our background book coming up, this is a fine base. I'm not going to trash the base. I'm going to try to make something else out of it. So, not every single one that I have is a knock out of the park. The Arteza Everblend markers are very nice. Let me show you the actual product. Comes in a nice case. The Arteza links are down in the comment. I did only get part of them put back in here. There is a very nice wide range of colors. I think they're a very cool product, very high pigmented. I tell you what though, if you use it on watercolor, you're going to use up a lot of ink. It could just soak right in, had great coverage. Now, the reason why you're seeing all these spots is because I was spraying alcohol on it. I was doing anything to make it work. Just wasn't working. It's because I was using the wrong paper. This is a, this is not the right paper. Marker paper is generally better. But this was some LaserJet photo paper, so I could run it, I could print off photographs basically. Photographs don't really ever turn out very well on this paper either. But it worked well for the markers because it didn't all sink into it. The markers are gorgeous. I really did like using them. I feel like I have great control with them. I just need to learn about them more, honestly. So, you'll see me make this cool little pear. Markers should be stored on their side is another thing that I found out, because after I had the failure, I went and actually looked it up to see, you know, how to use these things properly. It had worked well with my deli sheet project that I did in my Simple Exposure book, but it's a lot of fun to work with. And great for illustrating, great for like faces that we could do, or doodling would be great. So there will be uses for this, absolutely. Again, this isn't 100%, but it's not bad for a quick little sketch. And I did want to show you how to try to blend and layer the colors. It's a lot about layering. It's a lot about, you know, I made my lightest light a little bit too dark, so, you know, you have to watch out for that. It was a cool project, and here's the video. So your secret word for today is deer. Let me double check that. Day 9, it is deer. Okay guys, I hope you have a great day, and here's the project. We'll chat soon. Bye.